You all have already heard about background verification, but do you know how background verification is conducted or how background verification is done? In this video, I'm going to tell you how background verification is done and why it is done. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. I'm also active on Instagram. You can search me on Instagram Sushmita Madhu and let us get connected on Instagram also. My Instagram handle is mentioned somewhere here. Now, background verification is very important in the process of recruitment or hiring, because you already know that after interviews, after the round of interviews, after HR round, after the salary negotiation and all those rounds, the HR team will be asking you to submit your certificates, your original or a Xerox copy or a photocopy of your certificates will be asked. Now when these certificates are collected, now this hiring team or the company, they will be verifying did the candidate who has submitted the resume, the details on the resume are matching with the details submitted in the certificates or not. Those things will be matched and verified. Now companies, they may do the verification process by themselves. Usually medium and small scale businesses, usually they do the background verification process themselves. Big organization or corporate companies or multinational companies, they have their dedicated team which does this kind of verification work, or they also outsource the background verification project or background verification work to third party companies. There are so many third party companies which does this kind of background verification things. Now, why background verification is done is, you have to understand the company is checking whether the candidate they are hiring, is that candidate genuine or not? Is that candidate authentic or not? Has he submitted genuine details or not? To check that only, background verification is done. Now, background verification can be done within the company, or a third party company can also do this kind of background verification checks, right? Usually in India, there are 8 to 9 different type of background verifications check that is conducted. The very first one is employment certificate verification. Definitely whatever certificates, your graduation, your post graduation, intermediate or SSC, or what all certificates you are submitting, they may be calling or contacting the university or the college also to check if the details submitted is correct or not. This is the first verification called educational certificate verification. The second type of verification is employment verification. People who have experience, people who show their experience on their resume, the same experience is checked from the company also. Usually HR team or the verification team, they contact the employer team and they ask if the joining date and the relieving date or the pay packages are same or not, or very correct or not, they check. Now there is again another type of background verification, that is reference check. If an experienced candidate or senior level executive level person, if he has submitted his manager's contact as a reference, then the verification company can also contact the reference person. They can call them, they can email them, and they can ask if the details submitted by this person is genuine or not. That is the reference check verification. Next one is medical check. Few companies or few processes, they will do a medical checkup also of the candidate. Another type of background verification is a criminal record check or police verification check. Usually corporate companies, they definitely do this. They check if the candidate they are hiring has any criminal record or not. If the candidate is coming clean in police verification check is also checked. Now the another type of verification that companies usually do is PAN card verification and Aadhaar card verification. This is done usually by most of the companies in India. Now, two very important type of checks I'll tell you. First one is the CIBIL score check. Few processes, few companies which are into finance department or finance related companies, they can also check the CIBIL score of the candidate. That is also one type of background verification. And one very important type of background verification is social media check. You have to understand whatever you are posting on social media. If you are trolling someone, if you are posting hatred message about someone, even those messages are also checked by companies. So if you have posted any hatred message on your social media, maybe Instagram or Facebook, if you have trolled someone, if you have given some bad reviews or bad comments, if you have posted about someone on Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube also, then make sure these comments can be read by your future corporate or employment company also. So make sure that all your social medias have very clean impression. I mean to say very not very controversial comments you post on social media. Make sure that is done. One more verification is address check. Companies also check if you are staying in the same address which you have posted on your resume. Now, one more thing I would suggest to all you people watching this video till this time, if any of your details you have submitted in the resume does not match or has any issues, you have any problem with the submitted details, then speak to your HR at the beginning only. Do not wait for the verification result or verification report. Any problem, speak to the HR, speak to the person who has hired you. They may definitely help you in some or the other way. Now, when the verification is done, the third party company or the verification team, they submit a report. The report is usually in positive or negative status. The candidate is positive, that means everything is fine. The candidate verification is negative, that means something is wrong with the candidate's profile or candidate's details. This is one type of report. Another type of report is traffic lights or traffic signal. Red, orange and green. Green, a candidate's profile has come green. Green means everything is fine. The candidate is good to hire. Another type of status is orange. Few things are not matching. Few things are not good in the candidate's profile. Red status means something is very bad or something is totally mismatching in the candidate's profile and the verification. So these are the reports or result that is usually submitted to the company. This is how background verification is done. One more point. Background verification can be done before the employment or sometimes it is done after the employment. So pre-employment verification can also be done and post verification employment can also be done. Pre-employment verification means a candidate before joining the organization, only the HR team, the verification team does all the background work, all the verification work, and then they let the candidate enter or join their company. That is called pre-employment verification. Post-employment verification means after the candidate joins the company and after the background verification everything is done, then they give the status to the employee. The employee has already joined the company. That kind of verification is called as post-employment verification. So this was all about how background verification is done and why it is important for a company. And I have also shared the types of background verification and how the report is shared with the organization or the company. So I think this video was also has shared some good idea about background verification with you. If you want to share, if you want lot of people to know how background verification works, then share this video with your friends and family members also. My name is Sushmita and I create lot of job and career related videos. If you like or if you have to say something, then please comment below this video and like the video, share with your friends and family members. Follow me on Instagram also, link is already given here, and I will see you in next video. Till that time, thank you so much and namaste.